Want to become a millionaire before 40? Then stop looking for one secret investment. Building $1 million net worth is usually the result of income, discipline, ownership, and time working together. Here are 10 rules that can dramatically change your financial trajectory. Rule 1. Increase your earning power. Cutting expenses has limits. Your income doesn't. Learn high-value skills, negotiate better pay, build a business, or create an additional income stream. The goal is simple. Increase the amount of money you have available to invest. Rule 2. Don't upgrade your lifestyle every time your income rises. A bigger paycheck doesn't have to mean a bigger car, bigger house, and bigger spending. When your income increases, increase your investments first. Rule 3. Eliminate expensive debt. High-interest consumer debt can quietly destroy your wealth. Before chasing impressive returns, stop paying excessive interest on yesterday's purchases. Rule 4. Build an emergency fund. Wealth isn't just about investing aggressively. You also need enough accessible savings to handle unexpected expenses without selling investments or going into expensive debt. Rule 5. Invest automatically. Don't invest whatever happens to be left at the end of the month. Pay yourself first. Automate a percentage of every paycheck toward long-term investments. Consistency beats waiting for the perfect moment. Rule 6. Start early and respect compounding. The earlier your money gets invested, the more time it has to potentially grow, and for returns to generate further returns. You don't need to predict every market move. You need time. Rule 7. Own assets, not just status symbols. A luxury car may look wealthy. Ownership of productive assets is what can actually build wealth. Think long-term investments, business ownership, property, or other assets appropriate to your situation. Rule 8. Protect yourself from lifestyle inflation. Every raise should not become a permanent new expense. Let your net worth grow faster than your lifestyle. That's how a high income eventually becomes real wealth. Rule 9. Avoid get-rich-quick thinking. If someone promises huge returns with little risk, be careful. Real wealth usually looks boring. Invest consistently. Diversify. Control risk. Stay invested. Repeat. Rule 10. Give yourself a number and a deadline. Someday I'll be rich isn't a strategy. Choose a target. For example, $1 million net worth before 40. Then reverse engineer it. How much must you earn? How much must you invest? Which expenses need to stay under control? And what skills can increase your income? Becoming a millionaire before 40 isn't about looking rich. It's about owning more, owing less, earning more, and giving your money enough time to compound. Because wealth isn't usually created by one extraordinary decision. It's created by making ordinary smart decisions, consistently, for years. Start early, stay disciplined, and let time do some of the heavy lifting.